My people, let's make simple stew with the instant pot. So we're going with the oil first. We're going to preheat the oil and then we'll start going in with our spices. So first of all, we make sure the oil is okay for the stew process. And then we allow it to heat up a little. Go in with our thyme. The next ingredient we are going to go in is the nutmeg. Then we'll also go in with the curry. Then we'll also go in with the onga seasoning stew. Then we'll go in with our soya spice next. So we just have to saute everything and then we'll go in with our chicken. Just want to fry the chicken with all this flavor. So that's the soya spice there. So now put in the throw in our little chicken so that we'll just fry it all up with the spice and then we'll make sure the chicken is well marinated and all the spices will just go into the chicken and it's going to be very delicious. So here comes the chicken. The chicken goes in, and the next thing we're going to do is to add the tomato paste. We'll allow the tomato paste to also fry a bit, and just to cut off the spiciness. So that's the Maggi cube. Then we'll also go in with our pepper mix. Our pepper mix is just made up of pepper, onions, and the garlic. That's all we have for the pepper mix, and then we'll just allow everything to saute and heat up a bit. Then we'll just add the chicken sauce and then voila, the stew is going to be ready. So very soon you're going to see it's going to be very nice. So the pressure pot or the instant cooker can be used to make whatever kind of delicacy you want to make. It's just for you to know how to cook first and then you just harness the cooking experience with what the pressure pot or instant cooker can do. So with this, you know, you can just throw in your spaghetti and then you could have spaghetti. Yeah, if you want us to show you how to cook spaghetti with the right amount of water, quantity of water to use, drop in the comment section and we will show you in our next video. So for now, we say enjoy the rest of the video and let us know where you're watching from. Thank you.